My respectful pranams to my most beloved Guruji, Subhash Patriji, and Madam. It's very
என்
great.
அன்பான வணக்கங்கள் குருஜிக்கும் மேடம் அவர்களுக்கும்.
It's great fortune that we are all here. Even in this tough time, pandemic, we are organized this program to this extent. It's really great. And we are lucky to be here as a part of this great program.
இந்த வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. ஆனால் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நிலைமையில் கூட இவ்வளோ அற்புதமான நிகழ்ச்சி ஏற்பாடு பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறோம். இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியில் நாங்களும் ஒரு பங்காக இருக்கிறதுக்கு நாங்கள் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கிறோம்.
First of all, I thank Sunita Madam, Jagadish sir, Jaykumar sir, and all other masters.
ஸோ நான் எல்லாருக்கும் நான் வணக்கம் சொல்கிறேன். சுனிதா மேடம், ஜெகதீஷ் சார், ஜெயக்குமார் சார் எல்லாருக்குமே வணக்கம் சொல்கிறேன்.
See, after seeing you all, your energy is very great. So I can't match your energy. It's coming like as a fountain. How beautifully you are expressing your expressions. See, after seeing you all, I'm thinking that after coming to this pyramid meditation, any meditation and this spiritual path, this is the switch on to the celebration. In the pursuit of happiness, we might have done many things, but that is not be remembered anymore. But when you start celebrating your life, that is the real life starts there. So I can see you all celebrating every moment you are celebrating. See, only this pyramid society, we can see they are 24 hours busy. Whenever I talk to there are many close friends in my pyramid family. So whoever I try to talk them, they are busy in Zoom section. They are in one or other way they are very busy. So see, in this situation, I think that such Patri sir gave us a very beautiful life, and we tried and we are exploring a different dimension of the life, that is the happiness. So as a musician, I should say something about music. See, why this music and why this combination is unique. Some of the points, when I was learning, I started my music tutelage when I was 3 years old. That time I used to recognize some of the simple ragas. So my father is a violinist, my grandfather is a mridangam artist. So I'm the third generation violinist, musician. So by birth, by hereditary, I became a musician. And I have been learning this music since 35 years. When I was learning with the great maestro M.S. Gopalakrishnan and his brother M.A. Anantaraman sir, some of the things I didn't understand when I was learning. After doing this meditation, some of the techniques so I was getting some intuitions, and those techniques were I could play now it very easily. So, and even after listening to some of the great masters, normally even I spend some time listening to great masters, all these Zoom sessions. Some great masters and some new people, masters, they keep telling that I get intuitions. Even I get many of the things why these people are doing their optimum work. Why they are able to do the right things at the right time, and why they are only successful, because they get intuitions. No one else is giving intuitions. They get what is to be done and what is not to be done, what you have to try and how you have to try. All those guidance you can get as intuitions. So even I get many things, because when I was in North Karnataka, one of my friends, he was telling, sir, you just do meditation, you will get answer. Initially I was thinking, how it's possible? When I get answer, then I realized this is correct. So unless if you experience, if you can't meditate, I can't explain what meditation and what the experiences are. When you experience, then you believe it, you start doing more and more meditations. And many times Patri sir used to tell, do meditation more and more. I was thinking, so there is a formula. If you are 25 years old, you have to do 25 minutes. Then why should I do more meditation? Many times I was thinking. Then I got an answer. When you do more and more meditations, you get rid of these illusions. You are all having some illusions, some Brahma. So when you do more meditation, more and more meditation, you know the purpose of your life. You come to know that you are Brahmasmi, Brahmasmi Tattvamasi. That when you do more and more meditation, that layers of illusions you get rid of. So you will come to that. You are the you are unison with the God, and you are the supreme power, part of that supreme power. That only possible doing lot of meditation. That's what our great saints and all the great masters did. Before I conclude, I will tell you one thing. See, our Carnatic music, here we use most of the time Carnatic music and Indian music. See, we all think that our 6 chakras, 72,000 nadis, and all those control your mood, your metaphysical body. Our 72 Melakarta ragas can control these 72,000 nadis. So, this music as well as this unique dhyana meditation system is the unique, and this is the best of any other meditation systems, and we are lucky to have such a great masters, and we are fortunate to have the part of this great meditation school. One more time, my thanks to Guruji, Madam, and giving opportunity to speak few of my experiences. Namaste.
பிஎம்சி நேயர்களுக்கு ஒரு வேண்டுகோள். வீடியோ மூலமாக மேலும் ஆன்மீக தகவல்கள் பெற விரும்பினால் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் எனும் பட்டனை அழுத்தவும். இதை பற்றிய அறிவிப்புகளை அறிய வேண்டுமானால் பெல் எனும் பட்டனை அழுத்தவும்.